Embrace an active lifestyle for vitality and longevity. Feel the wind in your hair and the sun on your face as you explore new paths. Discover the joy of hiking and the peace that comes with reaching new heights. Each step brings you closer to nature and yourself. Dive into the refreshing embrace of natural waters. Swimming not only revitalizes your body, but also soothes your soul. Paddle your way to adventure and let the rhythm of the water guide you. Kayaking strengthens your core and gives you a sense of freedom. Balance your body and mind with yoga. Find your center and stretch your limits in serene surroundings. Live actively and embrace the full spectrum of life's adventures. Every moment spent moving is a moment of growth and vitality. Start your journey to an active lifestyle with healthwealthsafe.com, your guide to a healthier, happier you.